Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So for this you will need a cable, plug it into your computer, and we're gonna use it in a moment. Next, on your phone you wanna navigate to the power options right here, and then you're gonna select restart or power off, and go with the power off option. So once the device is off, I am gonna close it just for the easier kind of handling. So what you want to do is start holding power button and volume up at the same time, and the moment you do, you're gonna plug it in. There we go. Now when you see the Galaxy, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this redirects us to the recovery mode. In here, we can navigate using our volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options, we have a reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, view logs, run tests, and power off. So it's everything that we get, so I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will just bring me back into the Android. And there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.